my channel, and if you guys are new here, my name is Crystal. If you're not, that's what's up. Today I'm going to be doing the simplest hairstyle ever for the people who just do not have the time to do their hair, who do not like doing their hair, who just want their hair done quickly, like in 5 minutes. Don't take 10 minutes, 5 minutes, even though this video is like 10 minutes. But you get what I'm trying to say. This is for the ladies and men who want their hairstyle to be simple, quick, install it right now. You can do this yourself too. You don't need to go to no hairstylist. I ain't no hairstylist, and my hair is done. Let that sink in. And this video is definitely for the people who like the realistic look. Like, I know a lot of people nowadays, they have the sleek look, sleek straight hair. They have the completely curled hair with the curling wand. But this is the hairstyle you need if you want a realistic look. You want people to actually think this is your hair coming out of your scalp. If you like videos like that, I need you to go ahead and subscribe down below. Put the video on pause right now. I can wait all day. As you guys know, I'm not going to tuck your ear off because, that's what other videos are for. But if you do want a detailed video on how I install my wigs quickly or how I do it exactly step by step, let me know down in the comments down below. But if you don't care to know all that and you can see based off of the video, then that's cool too, Whatever works for you works for me. Other than that, if you guys like videos like this, make sure to leave a comment down below. Any other video ideas that you guys have, and make sure to leave a like so I know that you've seen this. Support your girl. Support her. Just support her. I'm twisting. I'm tweaking. Anyway. But yeah, make sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.